Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa. If you are new here, then welcome. If you're already a part of the family, then welcome back. I am coming to you late, but with my 12-month lock update. As you know, if you follow me, I hit 12 months on August 17th, so I am officially over the 1-year mark. I made it to the 1-year mark. So there's I don't have much of an update. Obviously I never do, but you know, I just come to show you my hair. And my hair is currently in a bun because I get it done tomorrow. It'll be 7 weeks since I got my last retwist, so I get my hair done tomorrow. Therefore it is in a bun right now because I don't feel like dealing with it, so I can't really show you what my hair is looking like. Yeah, I am super excited to have reached the 1-year mark. There are so many people I know that started with me and they just combed their locks out or cut them out, either because they couldn't deal with it or they weren't enjoying their journey. So I am so glad that I made it, and you guys can let me know if you want me to continue to do lock updates like every month, every 2 months, because at this point I don't really know. I think for now I will continue to do every month until they like officially lock, and then yeah, I will decide from there. So the thing about my locks, okay, they obviously do look like locks. Yeah, they obviously look like locks, however they are not locked, if that makes sense, like at the ends. So this is the only thing that can kind of be like the only thing that I sometimes have to remind myself to be patient with. So my locks obviously got thicker and everything like that, but the ends, I have to wait for those to actually lock up. And if you recall, I did cut the ends in the front of my hair like back in April, and that has helped tremendously, but there's still like curls. So I'm just curious as to when I will see them actually lock and harden. So that's what I'm excited about now. But yeah, I get my hair done tomorrow, so take a close look now. I guess I will come on here after I get it done and then show you like how it looks after. And other than that, don't mind me, y'all. So with that, I will go ahead and drop some pictures from this last month so you can check those out.
Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me into lilac dreams. Lay beside me, whisper softly your sweet empathy.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate your support as always. Like I said, I will probably come back with another video after I get my hair done tomorrow, so we can really see how much growth I have experienced in this last month, or almost 2 months actually. And that is all for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Now you are someone I rely on. You make me feel real. Summer days that drift away as we